Hello everyone, welcome to this demonstration of POS Signature module. So BrowseInfo's POS Order Signature application lets you capture the customer signatures directly in the Odoo's point of sale. Signatures can appear on the POS order receipts and backend views. It ensures the authenticity and the smooth record keeping. It is a simple and secure way to enhance your POS workflow. So for the first step here, I have already configured the database, and now I'm just going to the point of sale module, and here I'm just continue with the selling, and here I'm selecting one product and selecting the customer. Now I'm just going with the payment, and here you will find one option for add the signature. So here you can add the signature and going to save the same, and now I'm selecting the payment method and validate it. So here you can see our invoices generated and the signature is successfully added in the invoice. Now I'm just going to the back end and I'm selecting the order. So here also our signature is reflected. So this is how our module works. If you have any questions, so note down in the comment section and don't forget to like, share and subscribe BrowseInfo's YouTube channel for more Odoo related videos. Thanks for watching.